Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set quick access apps on the AMAZFIT Balance 3. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen twice and then get to settings clicking on the gear icon. Then you'll be able to find preferences and you can scroll down to shortcut buttons. Now you can find the long press SEL button. I don't really know which one is the SEL button, to be honest. I have no idea. Okay, that's the digital crown. And then I can set it to whatever I want. Let's do map, for example, and now when I press and hold on that button, it will start positioning me to get to the map. I can also do press, what happens on press, and I could, for example, do app list if you want to open app list with that button by pressing it. Well, but you have to be on the home screen in order to use it. I'll leave it on workout. And then let's go back. Let's go to long press down button, which is going to be this button right here. And you can assign it to something. And you can also do double press the back button. And the back button is actually, I think, this one. I'm pretty sure it's this one. And to this top button, when I press and hold on it, by default, it's assigned that there's a flashlight. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.